Before your next slice of Arnold or Mrs. Baird's roll, let's talk about the massive corporation that owns them all. Welcome to Irving, Texas, headquarters of Bimbo Bakeries USA, the largest bakery company in the United States and the American arm of Mexican giant Grupo Bimbo. It didn't start with Arnold. In 1998, the company officially launched as Bimbo Bakeries USA after purchasing Mrs. Baird's Bakeries and Pacific Pride. Today, they are the dominant force in commercial baking, producing fresh bread, bagels, buns, and English muffins that fill school lunches across America. From breakfast tables to family barbecues, their high-quality products are delivered to every single town and city in the United States. This Mexican multinational has effectively built an industrial food empire, controlling a massive share of the American snack and bread market through strategic acquisitions. So next time you grab a fresh loaf, remember that behind it lies one of the most successful food manufacturing stories in modern history. We explored how Bimbo became the bread king. What other hidden corporate giants own your favorite snack brands? Let us know in the comments.